my DIY ReStyle project once again. No man I deserve this. Alright, for this DIY ReStyle project mga boss, what I'll be going to share to you today is from my friend's old clothes. This one here, she brought this in ukay-ukay, and just like me, she also loves ukay-ukay. As you can see, it's way too big on her. By the way, she intentionally brought this one because she wanted to turn it or to restyle it into a simple dress. And yes, of course, the reason and the purpose of me having this DIY ReStyle project on my channel, because I want to share my knowledge to everyone that you can do something about your old clothes, okay? And this is what I'm doing right now. I can offer my service for free for now to my friends and families, relatives, and you'll never know, it will turn into a business soon, right? I'm actually thinking about it, but who knows? So, as a friend, of course, I'm just granting her request. So let's head on now to how I restyle this one.
Hello. Saan si Joanne?
Hello po. Ano naman ang kalakuhan pa rin?
Dito man ang tawag.
Wow, sino mo kayo maglalay sa tayo?
Ano? Walker.
Ha?
Walker, Billy. Ayan. Okay lang, be?
Oo.
Lang, masikip sa likod. Ay, ako lang naman.
Sleeveless palang ganda.
Ang ganda, Marie. Thank you so much.
Lagay mo yung belt. Kasi hindi magkasya yung belt.
Kasi size mo yan sa salaki. Oh.
Kasi kulang nga.
Meron akong belt, kaya hindi magkasya dahil mataba ako. So, kaya
I-try mo itim. Ayaw mo ng belt?
Yoko.
Ayan.
Kasi ano ba yun? Ang ganda kayo.
Alright, that's it mga guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys like it. And please don't forget to smash that button down there to see more of my works. Thank you again and God bless. Bye!